Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you winter special whitening and keeping your skin moisturizing face pack. You know guys, why our skin is getting dry and tanning on our face in winter season because of the cold temperature and the low humidity levels. It reserves our skin in dry, and also it draws the moisture from the skin due to the harsh winter. We are keeping we are at home and all, it's heat outside is very cool, so that it's taking all the moisture from the skin and making our skin dry. So for not happening this all to our skin, we'll start this remedy guys. I'm going to make this face pack by using Nivea. We all know guys, this is not a new cream as we are seeing in daily basis. One new creams, moisturizers, everything is coming in daily basis, but this cream is from 1911. It is very old cream. That also this was founded by a doctor, Troplowitz, and till now we are using Nivea. It is having very good effects, especially in winters. So for that, here I have taken Nivea Soft. You can use, there are a lot of flavors are here in this Nivea has came. This is I am using here jojoba oil and vitamin E. You can use any of this thing. Here I am taking just for face, hands and feet, 1 teaspoonful of, not 1 teaspoon, half a spoon of Nivea cream I have taken. My second ingredient is aloe vera gel. As I have told you in my previous video also, aloe vera is having anti-inflammatory properties. It is good for anti-aging, it heals the wounds and it lightens our scars also. It treats the acne, it soothes the sunburns, it treats if you're having stretch mark issue also guys. If you are applying regularly aloe vera gel, you can see how the stretch marks will fade away, and it is the best for dry skin. So here I have taken half teaspoon of Nivea cream. Now here I am going to take same quantity of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is not only best for skin, and also it is best for hairs also. So until I am mixing guys, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share share among your friends and family members. My last ingredient is honey. Here I have taken Dabur honey. You can use any of the honey. As you all know guys, honey will work as a good moisturizer. That will, no other creams will beat honey, and then it will fight with the acne also, and it delays the aging, which is the main thing we are facing in our day-to-day life. And then it improves the complexion also, and it will exfoliate our skin, and also it beats the dry skin. For dry skin, honey is the best. So here I am going to take just a half spoon of honey. Just only 2-3 ingredients guys. You just mix these things and apply on your face and see the benefit by yourself, which and all is available in our home itself. No need to search here and there. If you are doing DIYs, 100% you will have aloe vera gel. Honey is normal thing which is available in our kitchen. And then Nivea, if you are not having Nivea, it is very easy to buy. It is very less amount also, just 130 rupees only. It is very easy to buy from the local market, and we can get it easily. So just 2-3 things if you make and keep it habit of doing daily any of the cream applying on your face, and then you can see the benefits by yourself. It is damn sure it is very good cream guys. I have tried and tested this cream, and I got my skin very soft and supple, and it gets very good complexion also. Try to use this thing. Just you need to apply this pack and leave it on your face for 30 minutes. It will not dry because of we have added all the moisturizing things in it, so it will not dry. You don't think why it is not getting dry, it will not dry. You have to leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you have to wash it off and then see the result by yourself. I hope you all like my video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel. Bye bye.